If you're a soccer coach and you're still collecting payments through Venmo, Zelle, or Cashapp, and you're constantly texting parents to remind them to pay you on time, then you are burning a ton of time and a ton of money. And I know because I've been there. My name's Noah Varner. I'm the owner of NV5 Performance Academy, a soccer academy in Raleigh, North Carolina, with over 300 active players. And just a few years ago, I was stuck in your exact same position. I was constantly chasing payments. I was tracking sessions on spreadsheets and dealing with last minute cancellations every single week. And that's why I put this together, this short guide to show you exactly how to fix your payment process so you can stop losing money and finally start running your coaching business like an actual business. Okay, so in this guide, I'm going to show you why your current payment system is broken, a simple pricing model that fixes it, and how to automate the whole thing using a secret tool built specifically for coaches like us. Now, here's why your current payment system is broken. If you're a soccer coach, trainer, or academy owner, I know exactly what you're dealing with right now. More than likely, you are doing the same thing that every other training business is doing and has been doing so for decades, which is your classic $40 to $80 pay per session, whether it's one-on-ones or group. No commitment, just really whenever the parents feel like showing up to training. Or maybe you're even selling session packs of 4 to 8 sessions at a time, but you're constantly having to remind parents to send payments for sessions. Some forget, others ghost you altogether. You have no clean way of tracking who paid and who hasn't. Following up feels awkward, but not following up costs you money, and you're basically stuck doing admin work instead of actually doing the coaching. And the worst part is it makes your business, which unprofessional, which can cost you referrals and client trust, which is huge, especially in your local community. Now, here's how you fix it. The new model, and no, I don't mean go get more clients. That's not going to help. You need a better system. The solution is an automated recurring payment system with commitment-based pricing. Here's what I mean, okay? So you want parents paying you monthly or upfront for 3, 6, or even 12 months at a time. And each payment is locked in with a recurring payment where it automatically drafts the money out of their bank account into yours, okay? So you no longer have to chase them around to pay you. And before you say, oh, well, there's no way a parent would do that, then I want you to tell that to John, who's a private trainer in Nashville, Tennessee, who closed a one-on-one client for 6 months for $1,800 up front, or Paulo, who's a private trainer in California, who closed a group client for 3 months up front worth $480, or Jose, who's a private trainer in Minnesota, who sold a year worth of sessions for $10K up front. All coaches, just like you. The difference is they use what I'm about to share with you. Now, that is, they were different, right? Well, not they, but what they offered was different, okay? They didn't go to parents and offer what everyone else does, right? Which is, your classic soccer coaching for an hour, right? Like they added things into their offer to make the athletes better and stand out from their local competition. Because when you're different from other training businesses, you can charge whatever you want for however long you want, okay? So here's an example, right? So offer A, which is what you're offering, right? Which is 1 hour training session. Your price, $40 a session, $60, $80 a session, whatever it is, right? But there's no commitment. You're not making the athlete show up, right? It's lame, totally lame. It's not good for the athlete. Here's what offer B and what top coaches offer. 12 individualized training sessions, 3-month personalized development plan, goal setting sessions where you basically just sit down and write out goals with the player on the first session, or at home drill videos, right? Where you can literally just find your favorite YouTube drills, put them into a YouTube playlist and offer it along with your training. Small little tweaks that make the world of a difference for an athlete. And then they price it for $480 up front for the 3 months, or $160 for 3 months. Both essentially are the same amount of time to do. This extra stuff maybe takes 30 minutes to set up in the very beginning. Both are the exact same price, right? Because 40 times 12 is 480, yet one is way more valuable than the other. And do you know which one it is? Because I think I know. And ask yourself, if you had a child right now, and they came to you and they say, hey, I want to play at the next level, which offer are you going to take? Are you going to take offer B, or are you going to take offer A? And I know what I would take, right? And how much more would you be willing to pay for offer B over offer A, right? The answer is a lot more. because parents want their child to achieve their dreams, and they will pay anything to make that happen. So I challenge you to create a better offer, not only for your prices, but for the sake of the athlete. But the problem still remains. You are still using Venmo, Cashapp, Zelle, or even cash for payments. And it doesn't matter how good your offer is, how you collect payment is your biggest problem. And you need a payment system that will automatically draft money from a client's bank account so you no longer have to chase payments and consistently grow your income. So here's the super secret tool that I mentioned earlier that I use to collect payments automatically for my academy. Introducing Coach IQ, by far the best tool for soccer coaches, trainers, and academies on earth. And trust me, I have tried all of them, and I have been using them to run my academy for well over 3 years now. And they handle all of my payments. They set up all the recurring payments for all of my packages within minutes. They send automatic payment reminders to parents to remind them to pay and track who paid and who hasn't. No more chasing, no more awkward texts, no more stress. So if you want to fix your payment process, stop losing money, and finally start your running your training business like an actual business, then I want you to book a free demo with the Coach IQ team, okay? It's a quick call with my guy, Russ, who set up my entire payment system from my academy, and he'll show you exactly how he can use Coach IQ to do the exact same thing for you. So I want you to click the button below this video to go book in a call right now.